Meteorologist Mike Hoffman joining us here with a look at our national map. And Mike, we've got quite a few features here, including a pretty big snow system out west.
Yeah, and that's becoming the big feature. The one moving through the Great Lakes is now weakening after producing the severe weather over the past couple of days. But there are still some showers around it in the western portions of the Great Lakes, along with a few spotty showers and thunderstorms off along that cold front all the way down into Louisiana and Texas. But it's this system causing the snow mainly in the mountains, but there's some pretty heavy snows going on with this system from Utah on up into Montana, Wyoming areas, and then you can see that's going to be tracking off to the northeast. Again, this one's going to be weakening. There's going to be less and less moisture with it. Basically, it's just going to become big high pressure in the southeastern part of the country as this whole front eventually falls apart. As we head into tomorrow morning, then you can see it's still kind of ongoing with a few showers here and there, but this one becomes the active front as it comes into the plains. Again, a possibility of severe weather as we head through not only later today, but then again on Wednesday with this system. And there will be some snow coming even east of the Rockies there into eastern Montana, eastern Wyoming, and the panhandle of Nebraska. Heading into the afternoon hours, a lot of that snow kind of changes over to rain because it's still October, obviously, but then the showers and thunderstorms getting going along that front from the northern Mississippi Valley. But I think the activity in the southern portions of the plains is where the severe weather is most likely as we head into Wednesday afternoon. So precipitation estimates past 24 hours, you can see it right there, adding in the next 36. We're going to add a fair amount with that next front coming eastward, and you can kind of see those pockets of moisture along that front tracking off toward the northeast. And of course, a lot of that's going to be in the form of snow. Taking a look at temperatures this afternoon, highs only in the 30s and 40s. For the northern and central Rockies, high temperatures 70s and 80s, very warm for this time of the year. On up into the central plains, even in the 60s throughout the Great Lakes. Low temperatures tonight going to stay mild in the eastern half of the country, continue to be pretty cold in the west, and we'll see that kind of inching eastward as we head through tomorrow afternoon. Take a look at the jet stream. You can see that cutoff trough. Moving off to the northeast, by the time we get to Thursday, it's still a pretty good trough, kind of two pieces of energy there, and then that will track on off to the east. Watch what happens, though. Our model is showing perhaps a shot of colder air coming into the northern plains and the Great Lakes by next week at this time. That's a look across the country. Now let's take a look at some local forecasts. Heading to St. George, Utah, mostly cloudy with showers around, high temperature of 57. Bassett, Nebraska, partly sunny and windy, maybe a shower, high of 68. And finally, Memphis, Tennessee, we'll see a mixture of clouds and sunshine, high of 82.